Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm in monkeblocks. I want to show you how to build a working train like this. First, come with me over here. Let's get in building spots right here. Let me show you what I need to use. First, you want to come over here, right here. Oh, it's already on platform. On platformer, just click the button. Platformer, it's free to everybody. We're gonna need 4 of these big pieces. I'm gonna come back. Wait, let me just reset the whole thing. There. Like that. Make 4 of these. Like that, one more. Oh. What the? They're coming back. It's the whole thing. Ugh. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Just try to prank me. There. We got our piece. Now we want to put this over there. Can put it there. Like this. Okay. This is one more. There. 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna grab how many things you got. I think I got 2, 3, 4, right? And to have this 4 of these pieces. 4 by 6. Grab 4 because you made 4. Okay, like that. Some more and one more. There, I got it. Next, to just take one piece and put it on. Take the other piece and put it on again. Make sure it's the same way. Like this one is 2 up, but only 1 over here. So let's make it the same. Like that. What the? Like this. Where's the sound coming from? Okay, when you're done with this, you want to grab 4 more of those pieces to start making your platform. So heck. Like this. Next you want to take this piece down here. Take this. Just take like that. You got your platform done. I like putting it on 2 blocks away. Let's put it for the first right here, I guess. Done. It might be a little glitchy when you get on there. Yeah, it might be a little glitchy, but I promise it will work very good. Let's repeat that 3 more times or 4 more times, however you want it. I'm speedrunning this. There. Let's grab this. There. Got this. On this side. 2. There. We're done making the first 2 stations. Next, let's make a tunnel for the thing to go. The tunnel is gonna be over here. We want a lot of these pieces. Stack it and make a tunnel. This is called a tunnel. Next, you want to take the ice terrain. These somewhere on here to make it look natural, like that. Just put some of these on to make it look like a tree, like that. You can get more. You can make more of these, but just get the tunnel as a tunnel first, so it does not look ugly, like this. There. We made our tunnel. We want to make a lot of more of these copies. You can make a station in here if you want to, because this is going to be a good station if you want to put it in. I want to try to put a station in. Next tunnel, it will be a station. First, let's go get a tunnel. Let's do this terrain. Turn to, first, let's make another type of tunnel. So we'll extend it far, like this. We want to have a bridge connecting it to this one, like this. You're done making it. You can just put it on like that. Now your tunnel will be completed. Now you want to make the station inside, so you'll just put this piece back on, take only this out, make the station. Here. There. Next, you want to take your nice piece like this. Next, just put it in. Oh, it's right here. Put it. Mean something like this. To wedge it here. That's good. Just want to back on. Is it gonna eat the thing? Yeah, it is. It's getting a little taller. A little taller. This here, taller. Yeah, this works. Now you just put on here like this. Let's make more bridges. Take more bridges. Like just The bridges, but nowhere. Like, put it on like that. This looks very nice right now. Next, you can make more tunnels or more decorations on the tunnel and more stations. I'll make more tunnels. Okay, I'll make more tunnels. Tunnels is going to be snowy. Like this. Let's make the decorations. Ice terrain. Let's do sand terrain. There's sand terrain too. Get some of these pieces on. Okay. Ready hill. Just this one I got here. Yeah, next there. What is going on? There. Like that. Now let's get a tree. It's coming out. A fat one. This one. Yeah. Get a tree like this. Put it on your thing. The top will make it ice. Make it ice. Like this. Just like very nice. So like this. Put one more on. There. Let's take this to complete. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like that. Let's take this. Put it on like there. There, we got it. Let's make the other side of the forest. Where's the trees? Oh, it's over here. Let's make it like a forest. Like a big forest. Take it. A forest. Let's make like a lot of these types of trees on here. Some small ones, like this, like that. Get some tippy top buttons, like right here. There. Tunnel's done. Okay, I did it. Put it around like this. No, this is the wrong one. Our tunnel is this one. Too close together. What's happening? What the? No. This. What's going on? Put it on there. The other side. How is it flying? It's connected to the tree. No, oh. Take this out. This also put it. What the heck? There. There. Done. I just want to put this on for style. There. I'm gonna go save this one. I'm gonna go scan. There. Updated. Now, if you think that video was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you later in the next video. Spoiler alert, next video is going to be a working slide with an elevator. I'm going to teach you how to build it.